YouTube. What's good, YouTube gang? It's what we deal with today, man. Yeah, man. Back with Swandan. Swandan, what you deal with? Yes, man. Swandan, me say you drop album and these things, dog. So you've been active in the streets and these things, dog. After you drop the bad track with Stefan Dan the other day, call Bumblecly Drip. 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 This is not emotion, slow motion, commotion. Big up yourself, Swandan. Yes, me and say, me drop an album and these things, gang. Let me know in the comment section if you want to react to the full album. You see me and say, But yeah, there Prince Swanny, Swandan, the one named Billy. We're going to check it out and see dog and deal with. You don't know, Prince Swanny, one of the best in Trinidad. You don't know dog doing numbers as a dancehall artist. You see me and say, Big up him damn self, man. Yeah, the one named Billy, we'll check it out and see dog and deal with. You don't know, before jumping on the chat, gang, hit the road to 10K, hit the like and subscribe button. We're only 1,500 away, gang. So let's make that happen, man. Let's make that happen in February. You see me, I say? Prince Swanny, Billy. We now will provide more stronger. Let's get it.
I'm Scott.
I'm Scott.
Yo.
Oh, glad.
Burning.
Dog, I bun down your ranch. How go on? What happened? What happened, Swanny? Why you bun down your ranch, brother?
Billions, big and fast.
Fast.
Bad.
Real bad. I got a couple goats out here. What go on?
Run them down, then gun them down. Run them down, then gun them down. Run them down, we gun them down. Gun them down, we gun them long.
Okay, I'm liking the start in the sun, grimy. Go on, too.
Extra clips when they ride, chips on the 9. Link up Billy and the killies them ride. What? Everything died.
Extra clip when we ride, you know, man. Link up Billy and the... Hey, you know what? Hey, go on, too.
Link up Billy and the killies.
And the killie them ride.
Extra clips when they ride, chips on the 9. Link up Billy and the killies them ride. What? Everything died. Everything died.
And everything dead. You know what I mean? One of that time, everything dead. You see me, I say, man, say load clip on the ride. You see me, I say, link up Billy and the killie them ride. Go on, too.
When they ride, chips on the 9. Link up Billy and the killies them ride. What? Everything died. Everything died. The amount of demons around, we live in a evil town. It's only right if me that see me up, me shooting right now. I give a fuck with them from, fuck the opposition, yeah,
No, this gonna be grimy, me like the intro. Amount of demons around him and said, dog, Jesus and peace.
On the 9, link up Billy and the killies them ride. What? Everything died.
I'm to hear that.
Everything died. The amount of demons around, we live in a evil town. It's only right if me that see me up, me shooting right now. I give a fuck with them from, fuck the opposition, yeah, invested in my car so me can lift off the ground.
The demons them round, you know, boy, I want to better know on yourself, you know, me care who, me not care about them.
It's only right if me that see me up, me shoot.
Yeah, dog, come in, me like all this.
Everything died. The amount of demons around, we live in a evil town. It's only right if me that see me up, me shooting right now. I give a fuck with them.
Man say, yo, amount of demons around. Weird, dog, what is wrong with me, bro? Come on, Janai, listen, I remember the Bumble lyrics, bro.
Everything died. The amount of demons around, we live in a evil town. It's only right if me that see me up, me shooting right now. I give a fuck with them from.
The demons around, we live in a evil town. It's only right if me see me hops, me a bust it pan them right now. What the Right now.
Fuck the opposition, yeah, invested in my car so me can lift off the ground. Me hear them plan, say them want me lock up, hear them spend a couple grand. Me hear them bad man, hear them want to shut me down. Cheers them want to try me still a stand strong. Still if them really
hear the plan, they say me lock up, but they spend a couple bands. I want to know when I feel like
plan, say them want me lock up, hear them spend a couple grand. Me hear them bad man, hear them want to shut me down. Cheers them want to try me still a stand strong. Still if them really want beef, me a link tie no.
Yes, man. Cheers them have got me still standing strong over here, no. I'm to you. Hey!
Time out. You know see the feds passing your 5-0. No, we are rebel dog, no, we psycho. This on the wrong junk tag, we ready for them final. Run them down, then gun them down. Run them down, then gun them down. Run them down, we gun them down. Run them down, we gun them long. Extra clips when they ride, chips on the 9. Link.
Run them down, gun them down, gun them long, hear that?
Link up Billy and the killies them ride. One piece, everything died. Everything died. None of them can't bad for me. Me will shot them for real. Like them actress, my see. Like them fully. One bad company. Know them feeling.
Clyde, them can't bad for me. We shot them for real. I'm telling you.
Can't bad for me will shot them for real. Like them actress, my see. Like them fully. One bad company. Know them feeling like them tough. Make the goal and Jacob make them head boss. We talk, but with somebody be the bigger one and stop the war. But too much ego man just have to rolling on the man.
But clean man say real talk. Yo, man say real talk. With the war done. Weird, go on, show.
But with somebody be the bigger one and stop the war. But too
say real talk. With somebody be the bigger man and stop the war. But too much blood clot, ego in a man them out. You see me?
we talk, but with somebody be the bigger one and stop the war. But too much ego man just have to rolling on the man. Million ways to make the money from a juvenile star. Now me have to buy my designer, them my name and marks. Just like my status. Don't tell the internet them lie about my network. Ever in a motion, team I do the network. Chop the line, make the money, so I know my talk my shit. Finish it, bro.
Chop the line, make your money, so me know my neck hurt, you know. Chop the line, make your money, so me know my neck hurt, you know. I'm too, though.
Tell the internet them lie about my network. Ever in a motion, team I do the network. Chop the line, make the money, so I know my talk my shit. Finish it, roll deep. 20K for the feature. Yeah, we got the money for beef. Ever then
20K for the feature, you know, brother. Until you don't play it, Swan done.
Shit, finish it roll deep. 20K for the feature. Yeah, we got the money for beef. Ever day in the kitchen where it's always got heat. Yeah, drop
man, we got the money for beef, brother. Ever in our kitchen with the heat. Take be yourself.
Ever day in the kitchen where it's always got heat. Yeah, drop a back by my troopers. Now them turning into shooters. Everyone got them Rugers. Them asking for true. Later on check the news. Watch how my shot at them move. Yo, bomb squad, rap them. Run them down, then gun them down. Run them down, then gun them down. Gun them down, we gun them down.
Easy now, one. Yes, man. I want to man say grab a couple back from the troopers. Now then telling the shooters. You see me, I say?
Gun them down, we gun them long. Extra clips when they ride. Chips man the 9. Link up Billy and the killers them ride. One, everything die. Everything die.
Yeah. Yes, man. Yes, man. Long clips on the ride. Chips on the 9. Link up Billy and the killers them ride. Go on, show. Yes, man. Gun them down, we run them down. Gun them down, we run them down. Swan Dan. Don't play the Swan Dan, you know. Don't play the. Hey! Yes, man. Don't play this D-Tech boss, man. Yes, man. So you have to Prince, Swanny, Swan Dan. Yes, man. They don't play the one in them Billy gang. You see me and say, if you like it, definitely show that some love and support, you know. See me making us at the dance, you know. You see me and say, yes, man. Swan Dan been on the road, man. Yeah, just dropped Drip the other day. What did he drop before Drip? I was not expecting a collab, by the way. He didn't make any previews or hints towards it. The man Stefan has linked up. They worked so cohesively on the track. They slid on it. It's a hit. It's definitely a banger. What did he drop before? He definitely dropped a track before Drip, which was also a banger as well. Damn. Oh man, I wish I could remember on top of my head. But yeah, so then he followed it up with a full album. I don't remember the title of the album, but gang, drop in the comment section if you want me to react to that. I'll definitely get it done. You see me I say? Don't know where the album boss or where I say. You see me I say? So yeah, gang, drop your comments, drop your requests. If you like show that to someone support, make you know the dancing. You know. Let me know if you want to get that done and I'll get it done for y'all. You see me? We're back and we're active, gang. You don't know. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.